Morning to all. I'm Divya. I'm studying intermediate first year in Buchedipalam at Nellore district. In yesterday class, we are discussed about articles. How was they used? In this class, we are discussed omission of articles. It means where the articles are not used. Omission of articles. Omission of articles. It means where the articles are not used. We know all articles. What are the articles? A and the. Now we discuss where these three words are not used in the sentences. First one, before God in the universal sense. Before God in the universal sense. First one. Before God in the before God in the universal sense. Before God in the universal sense. For example, God created the world. God created the world. For example, see here, God created the world. Before the word God, we don't use the articles. So we don't use here. God created the world. Here, see here, the word God. Before this word, we don't use any article. And second one, before man in the sense of humanity. Before man in the sense of humanity. Before God in the sense of humanity. Before God in the sense of humanity. For example, see here. For example, man is a social animal. Man is a social animal. Social animal. It means it is the sense of humanity of a man. See here. Before man. Not God. Before the man. Before man in the sense of humanity. Man is a social animal. Social animal. It is the sense of humanity of a man. Before the word man, we don't use any article. Before the man, we don't use any article before the man and God. And third one, before sports are games and diseases. Before, third one, this one. Before sports are games and diseases. Before sports are games and diseases. For example, see here. Sports are games. For example, see here. I play chess. Chess, it is a game. Before the sport or game, we don't use any article here. And see another example. I play skipping. Skipping, it is a sport. Before the sports and games, we don't use any article. And diseases also. For example, he died of cancer. He died of cancer. It is a disease. Before the diseases also we don't use any article. See another example here. He suffering from fever. It is also a disease. Before this we don't use any article. See another example. He is suffering from COVID. He is suffering from COVID. It is also a diseases. Before the sports and games and diseases, before these words, we don't use any article. And fourth one, before breakfast, dinner, lunch, etc. in the usual sense. Fourth one, before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. in the usual sense. For example, see here what it says before breakfast, lunch, dinner. For example, see here I take breakfast at 8 a.m. Here, see here this example. I take breakfast at 8 a.m. Here is the word breakfast. Before the breakfast, lunch, dinner. Before these words, we don't use any article. See here. And see another example here. I take lunch at 1 p.m. I take dinner at 8 p.m. See here the words breakfast, lunch, dinner. I take breakfast at 8 a.m. I take lunch at 1 p.m. I take dinner at 8 p.m. Before the words breakfast, lunch, dinner, before these words also, we don't use any articles. Are you understand? Here see, before breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. Before these words also, we don't use any article. And now we discuss fifth one. Before uncountable nouns are plural nouns used in the general sense. Fifth one, ma. Before uncountable nouns. See here. Before uncountable nouns. Before uncountable nouns are plural nouns. Before uncountable nouns are plural nouns used in the general sense. Used in the sense. Before uncountable nouns are plural nouns used in the general sense. What are the uncountable nouns? You know all what is the noun? It is the name of the person or thing or place. It's called noun. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are we can't count exactly. See here, uncountable. For example, sand, wood. These are all the examples of uncountable nouns. Before the uncountable nouns are plural nouns. Plural nouns means, see here the examples of plural nouns. Pens, books, scales, mobiles. The thing it is more than one is called plural nouns. Before the uncountable nouns are plural nouns used in the sense of general sense. For example, see here. Gold is precious. Gold is precious. Gold is precious. See here, gold, it is the word under the uncountable noun. Gold, it is the uncountable noun. And see here the word before the uncountable, we don't use any article here. So it is the example of uncountable noun. And see another example for plural nouns. Children are innocent. Children are innocent. In singular noun also we call children, and plural also we call children, not children's. It is the example of plural nouns. Children are innocent. Before the plural noun also we don't use any article here. And sixth one, before names of people and countries. Before names of people and countries. Sixth one, before names of people and countries. Names of people. Before names of people and countries. For example, see here. Before the names of people, I meet Munna. It is the name of the person. It means name of the people. Before the names of people, we don't use any article. And see another example. I love India. I love India. India, it is a country. Before the countries also we don't use any article here. Before the names of the people and countries also we don't use any article before the name of the persons and countries. And seventh one. What is the seventh one? Before languages. Before languages. Sixth one. Sorry, seventh one, ma. See here. Seventh one. This one. Before languages. Before languages. Before languages. For example, see here. English is an international language. 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 Here see the word English. It is the language. Before the language also we don't use any article. Before language also we don't use any article. And see, we are use the word an article, and it is the one of the article. Why we use here the word an? Because international, it is not a language, it is the word international. The word starts from I. I is the vowel sound, so we use here the word an. English is an international language. Before the languages also we don't use any articles. See another example here. I like Telugu or Hindi or Kannada, like any and so on. Before the languages we don't use any article here. Before any article here. See here, before the languages also we don't use any article. Before the languages also we don't use any article. And see eighth one. Before church, temple, college, hospital, prison, when visited for main purpose. See another time. Before church, temple, college, hospital, prison, when visited for main purpose. Before, this is eighth one. Before church, temple, before church, temple, college, hospital, prison, when visited for main purpose. See here, before church, temple, college, hospital, prison, when visited for main purposes. For example, see church. Why we go to church? To pray. Why we go to temple? For worship, to worship the God. And why we go to college? To study. Why we go to hospital? To treat. Why we go to prison? To punishment. This all I mean when we go to main purposes. For example, see church. I am going to church. I am going to church to pray. It is the main purpose of church. So we don't use before the word church any article. Before the word church we don't use any article here. And see another example. She goes to hospital. She goes to hospital to treat. She goes to hospital to treat. See here, why we go to hospital generally? To treatment. It is the main purpose of the hospital. To treatment. It is the main purpose of hospital. When we visited for main purposes, we don't use any article before the hospital. Not this one only. Before the church, temple, college, hospital, prison. Why we go to prison? To punishment. It is the main purpose of the prison. So we don't use any article before the prison. And see hospital also. Hospital to treatment. It is the main purpose of the hospital. So we don't use any article before the word hospital. And church, college, this also like that. And see ninth one. Before the name of a relation. Before the name of relation. Ninth one. Before the name of relation. Before the name of relation. For example, see here. Munna has come back. Munna has come back. Here, see here, Munna has come back. There is no relation between me and Munna. For example, see here. My brother has come back. It is the relation between me and my Munna. Before the relations also, we don't use any article. We don't use any article. See another example here. Kavya came to see me. Kavya came to see me. Here see, there is no relation between me and Kavya. For example, see here. My sister came to see me. It is a relation between me and my sister. Before the relations also, we don't use any articles. Okay? And we'll end last one. And see the last one, huh? Before a proper noun preceded by each, every, either, or, neither, nor, any, etc. Before a proper noun preceded by each, every, either, or, neither, nor, any, etc. See here, 10th one. Before a proper noun. Before a proper noun preceded by each, every, either, or, neither, nor, any, etc. Before these words also, we don't use any article. See, for example, see the example here. Neither Ramu nor Raju is clever. Neither Ramu nor Raju is clever. Neither Ramu nor Raju is clever. Is clever. See here, neither Ramu nor Raju is clever. Before these words, neither, nor, either, or, each, every, any. Before these words also, we don't use any article before these words also. Here, see here, neither. Before this word, we don't any article here. And nor. Before this word also, we don't use any article here. And see another example, ma'am. Neither Pratap nor Ravi is clever. See here, before these words, neither, nor. Before these words also, we don't use any article. Neither, nor. Before these words also, we don't use any article here. See another example. I want any new pen. I want any new pen. Any. Before this word also, we don't use any article. Before this word also, we don't use any article here. Before a proper noun preceded by a each, every, either, or, neither, nor, any. Before this word also, we don't use any article here. Now we discuss articles are not used in the sentences. English grammar is very necessary for us, and practice well and gain good marks in exams. Already Geeta ma'am also told the grammar part all. So we are practice well and get good marks in exams. Thank you for all.